Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 3 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading day series 2. So wherein today, because of the IT results and for the couple of days Reliance was also strong, so hence we had seen this trend line that was forming on a 15-minute time frame, wherein Nifty had been taking multiple resistance over here with this trend line, along this trend line, wherein there was an instance wherein Nifty had formed the all-time high of around 21,834. So from there itself we had seen that multiple points wherein this line, if you connect, there were multiple points wherein Nifty was taking resistance and there was a fall. With respect to this, the intention on, even on like yesterday, price action was that like there was a sharp fall, but however there was a pullback over here. So with that aspect, what was the intention was like I had anticipation of buying it, but however early morning, because of the gap up, and then it didn't give a chance. I was anticipating that if I get somewhere chance along this trend line, I would make an entry, but however I couldn't make entry because there was no such retracement available in the market, because IT, like Infosys and the TCS, were rallying around 100 points and 150 points for each. But and even the Reliance was stronger during the daytime. In early morning, it was bit off, around like 10-15 points down, but later on it caught up the rally, and then there was a huge momentum in the Nifty. So with that anticipation, what I did, I had made some other trades wherein I had entered, made a put trade in over here, but with a huge quantity. Hence, I'm not gonna involve that. But however, with that aspect here, this is a 15-minute time frame wherein Nifty was. Let me clear this first of all. The intention behind this trade is like this is a day wherein first Jan we had made, Nifty had made around high of around 21,834. So with that aspect, if you see the similar way, today's there was like after breakout, Nifty didn't give a sudden rally, but however there was consolidation over there at around 830 to 840 zones, wherein there was if I move on a 5-minute time frame, so let me show you. So here, if you see, there was the candles. Even though after a gap up, there was a retracement, and then there was a, rally. But however, in this zone, there was a consolidation, and even though there was no such like instance wherein there was a retracement or some profit booking, but as of such, here, if you see, the candles were very small, and there was a huge consolidation happening. Almost all, if you see. It is almost from 10:25 till around 12:30, almost around 2 hours Nifty was trading in this zone. So there was consolidation, and with this anticipation, what I did is like I made an entry in 21,000. Let me show you the order history over here. See over here, 21,850 C. I made an entry with 200 lots, 200 quantity, and with an average price of 131. So, however, if you see here, around 12:55, I closed my position. That too, it was a trailing stop loss. It's not that like I squared off like I want. I had kept around 150, but it got triggered at 150.65. So, if you see at 12:55, exactly at this point wherein it was forming doji, so hence it was like this is a zone wherein Nifty had taken resistance on a small time consolidation over here during the daytime. So with that aspect, I saw this there was a doji, hence I squared off the position with trailing SL. But the point is that later on, after 4 to 5 candles, almost like 25 minutes of consolidation, again it gave a breakout. But I missed this rally over here with this. However, with this trade, I made around like 131. I made almost like 19 points. 19 points. So 19 points. It was almost like 3,700, 3,800 with 200 quantities. So that was a good trade. But however, I exited with this because there was some sort of a doji and there was consolidation. Thought of like maybe it will retrace to this similar place around 830 odd level. But however, I was wrong. So with that aspect, after that, wherein the Nifty made an high of 928, and then I waited till it might give the same zone wherein I was talking about this zone. Let me mark it over here so that it will be clear. This is a zone wherein on intraday basis there was a zone wherein Nifty had taken. Let me change the color of this so that it's visible. So if you see here, the point is wherein there was weak formation at the top here, and then afterwards there was a rally and then the retracement. The similar point wherein Nifty took a resistance. However, this candle was huge, but I took a risk of SL around 840 to 830 level, and then I entered in this trade around 21,900 call, almost at around 313. I entered at 131.25, but however, I closed off when Nifty hit 21,900. Even though like later on Nifty went on to make an high of around 911, 917. So with this, I took a very quick trade over here. If you see around 4 minutes, and even in this also I waited around 10 to 12 minutes. So with this trade, I gained around 11 points. So overall here 2200 and over here 3700. So overall I made around 6000, roughly around 6000 profit with the simple strategy. But however, it was the logic was with respect to the previous high and then the consolidation pattern that was forming. So this is a zone wherein Nifty was consolidating, and this make they made me that even though if you see here exactly this candle on a 15-minute time frame after hitting a high, there was a huge sell-off that indicated that there was like it is not able to sustain. But however, today's price action is that after a gap up, a retracement, and then there was a hitting like almost at the all-time high. Then there was a consolidation for almost 2 hours. So that was the confirmation that like there is no selling that is going to happen because of the consolidation, and then we saw a breakout. So with that aspect, and even the second trade that I took was because solely because of the retracement at the similar level wherein it had taken the resistance. So hence I was able to take a quick trades, and I hardly like 10 to 20 to 12 minutes was the maximum time wherein I took the time was required for the each trade. So that's it for the today's video, and in the weekend, maybe tomorrow or Saturday, I'll post it in the Telegram. Okay, about the like I'll come online wherein we shall discuss about the trade setups, and even we'll discuss about the other good trades wherein which will be good for the swing trade and such ideas. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.